Give me time to open up and keep it safe, keep it for good.